Blinker, please. Watch those things. He won't turn on red light.
Gotta be in a
Go
hurry.
to the right lane. He crossed you. He was talking on the forward driving. So you were about to make a right turn.
Mhm.
He went on your left side and he made a right turn in front of you while you were making the right turn, and he was holding his phone in his hands. Then he went to this traffic light and he made a U-turn on a red light. So tell me how many violations he might possibly do.
4? Does he cut me off? With a
If
phone?
we start counting them,
I think there's one's enough.
Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Нашият екип от опитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.